Hi, in this short tutorial, I will address question 3.3 from chapter 3. Let's open up slides and let's dive in. Okay, so on the screen, you should be able to see the question. So we have a box which consists of 19 balls, among which 12 are red and 7 yellow. And we would like to, we are drawing the balls twice. And we are doing this two alternative ways, with replacement and without replacements. Without replacement, and we would like to find out the probability that both. Let's start with replacement. So imagine this problem as a two-step problem. On the first step, we are drawing the ball from the box, and we are observing whether it's yellow or red. And the probability, since there are 19 balls and 7 of them are yellow, probability that we draw the yellow ball is 7/19. Okay, so that basically indicates that we are moving in this tree, we are moving on the right-hand side. So we end up on the right-hand branch of the tree when with probability 7/19. Okay, now in the second stage, we are replacing the ball back. No matter what ball we draw, we are putting it back. So that's the meaning of with replacement. So we are putting, so proportions do not change in the urn. So we still have 19, among which 7 are yellow. So in the second stage, we are again repeating the same exercise. So we are drawing the ball, and again, probability that drawing ball would be is yellow would be again 7/19. So that means that a probability that we get both balls yellow must be a product of 7/19 times 7/19, because those two experiments are basically independent from each other, because we are replacing ball, and no matter what color we took on the first stage does not affect our probability of what we take in the second stage. So that's why probability of taking both balls yellows would be 7/19 square, and that gives us 14%. All right, let's look now at the same problem without replacement. So that means what? So if we take the first ball from the urn, then we don't put it back. So proportion is changing now. So let's say we are looking probability of getting 2 yellow balls. So in order to this event to occur, we must take the first ball yellow, and we must do the same yellow ball on the second stage. So probability of taking a yellow ball on the first stage is 7/19. And probability of taking yellow ball in the second stage is 6/18, because if we don't replace the ball back, there would be 18 balls left, among which 6 would be the yellow. So now we need to multiply in order to find yellow, both balls being yellow. We need to multiply 7/19 times 6/18, and that gives us 12%. So that's basically, concludes question about finding out the probability of both balls being yellow. And those are 14% with replacement and 12% without replacement. Thank you very much for your attention.